Hey everyone, welcome to Living the Home Life. The schools are over and summer vacation has officially started. We came to my mom's home for a few days. We are now heading for dinner to one of my brother's friends' restaurant, which they have recently opened, and the food was just amazing. There were some dishes I would never like usually, even in other restaurants. Even those tasted good. Atav also liked the food. Usually, he is very against trying new food, but he really liked many of them. We tried paneer sandwich, pav bhaji, dahi sev noodles, roti, dal, and some milkshakes as well. Everything tasted nice, and this is also how I put on weight when I go to my mom's house. Let me know in the comments if it is relatable. Came home and watched Frozen and RCB and CSK match was on. We love cricket. It was amazing to watch. It's the next day and it's Ugadi. We usually follow our traditions like oil bath and stuff like that. It's our biggest festival. Most of all, we eat yummy food, which is mango rice and obattu. We slept really well in the afternoon, and Athav loves playing with Sana. Later, we went out for dinner again near to nearby cafe, and we had corn soup, paneer chili, and pizza. It's the next day, it's the very chill day. We pretty much didn't do anything, and Athav loves doing what I do, so he's scrubbing his feet. And even though he has very smooth feet, he asked me for it. He was little hungry and bored, so I took him to supermarket to buy some snacks. And I was also wanting for some coffee. We ended our day with some delicious golgappas, and we didn't do much this day. We had planned a really fun day today. We are headed to Chitradurga. There's this cool place, sort of like a park with a lot of statues depicting scenarios and early life of dinosaurs and animals as well. Arthur loves dinosaurs, so he will love it. Got super excited when he saw T-Rex since I kept it as a surprise for him. It was a huge park and has a lot of things to see, and a great thing is that there are so many spots to sit if you feel tired. Weather was also chill since it rained later in that day. There was also some fun rides, boating and go-karting for kids. We took a little break in between for snacking, and we also saw an elephant.
This is very nice, Anna.
We went to local dhaba for dinner. This is my favorite spot. I never miss to go here when I'm visiting my mom's home. They make amazing tandoori rotis, and so we went for a drive and had ice cream at Polar Bear. I tried the matcha ice cream. It honestly tasted very yum. I had a blast visiting my mom's home. It truly felt like summer vacation when I was kid too. Let me know what is your favorite thing to do when you are visiting your mom's home. I hope you love watching this video. Have a great summer. I will see you in my next vlog. Thank you for watching. Bye.